Today we're delving into CryptoTab, a revolutionary browser that allows you to mine cryptocurrency while browsing the web. CryptoTab is typically used by individuals interested in passive income streams and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Throughout this video, we'll explore CryptoTab's features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a look at CryptoTab's main features. Seamless mining. CryptoTab integrates cryptocurrency mining seamlessly into your browsing experience, utilizing your device's processing power to mine Bitcoin. Browser compatibility. CryptoTab is compatible with various browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, allowing users to mine cryptocurrency without switching browsers. Mining speed control. CryptoTab offers users control over their mining speed, enabling them to adjust settings based on their preferences and device capabilities. Referral program. CryptoTab features a referral program where users can earn additional cryptocurrency by referring friends and family to the platform. Cloud Boost. CryptoTab offers a Cloud Boost feature, allowing users to increase their mining speed by purchasing additional mining power.
CryptoTab offers a free version with basic mining capabilities. However, for advanced mining speed and features such as Cloud Boost, users can opt for paid plans starting at $2.99 per month. CryptoTab provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to start mining cryptocurrency. However, some users may experience decreased device performance while mining. CryptoTab offers users the opportunity to earn cryptocurrency while browsing the web, making it an appealing option for those looking to passively accumulate digital assets. Its innovative approach in mining allows for seamless integration with browsing experience, providing users with multiple ways to enhance their earnings. However, though, some users have raised concerns about the browser's potential impact on device performance and its energy consumption. Additionally, while CryptoTab presents a unique opportunity for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, its price volatility and susceptibility to use in criminal activities are notable drawbacks to consider.
Alternatives to CryptoTab include HoneyMiner, NiceHash, and MinerGate. Each alternative offers similar cryptocurrency mining capabilities with unique features and pricing structures.
In conclusion, CryptoTab offers a convenient way to mine cryptocurrency while browsing the web with customizable settings and a user-friendly interface. However, users should consider their device's performance and the trade-offs with the free versus the paid plans. Don't miss out with the opportunity to start mining with CryptoTab. Sign up today using the link in the description. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more software reviews, cryptocurrency tips, and convenient how-tos. Thank you for watching.